How to change language in the Twitch app. If you have been using the Twitch application and wondering on how to change language on it, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it, so let's get started. First of all, open the application. Just like this. After opening it, you will find your profile icon right here. Now tap on to settings at the top, just right here, tap on it. Now scroll down and here you can find there is no any built-in feature to change language on this app. Now to change the language, simply you need to find your settings application on your mobile phone, open it, just like this. After opening the settings app, scroll down and here you can find apps, just right here, select it. Then scroll down and find the Twitch app. Just right here, now select it, and from here you can find the preferred language option, tap on it, and from here you can simply choose the language of the application, and by choosing it just like this, the language of the app will be changed. That's it. This is how you can change the language of the Twitch application. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.